how to use Spotify with AdBlock in the year 2020. First thing, go to spotify.com, download the file. I've already done it here, and the exe file looks like that. So yeah, just install it, sign into your free account, then proceed to the next step. The next step is to go to this website and use this tool right here. It's called EZBlocker, Spotify AdBlocker. Download that, and basically you're going to want to right click it and run as administrator and run that program. So use that right there, and then after you do that, restart Spotify, and then you'll have a Spotify similar to mine, which does not have any ads on it right now. So it's just a lot more pleasant viewing and healthier for your computer because you don't get all those advertisements. See how there's no ads right there in the banner spot or anything, and you just use that little you just have that little program open, run as admin, and there you go. A way better Spotify experience. So yeah, I'll have a link in the description to the file that has everything too. Okay, and here's also what is like the options in the program that is going to be running. It was just showing that it showed how to block the banner ads and stuff like that. So yeah, just showing all the functionality of it, and yeah, that's about it.